I wish someone told me about investing when I just started earning. I would have been in a better situation. I want to share this video with someone who has just started earning. Hi, my name is Rakesh Amanani. I have MBA in finance and I will be sharing my journey of investment. Even though this video is catered for those who have just started earning, anyone can start investing. I'm not a financial advisor. Everyone has different situation and appetite for investment. This is just for learning experience. I want to share my experience and we want to learn from each other. Is it possible to become a millionaire? Do you want to retire early? More important is, do you want to become a millionaire and enjoy retirement? There's always a question in our mind. Do I need to invest a lot? Actually, no. A small amount invested consistently can make you a millionaire. All you need to do is invest $10 per day as soon as you start earning. Let the money compound for your retirement and you can become a millionaire and enjoy retirement life. As you can see from this chart, if you invest $10 per day, $300 per month, or $3,600 per year in S&P 500 index fund for 40 years at 9% return can make you a millionaire. All you have to do is invest in index fund every month consistently. If you don't have money, try to get a part-time job which can pay you $300 per month extra. Or if you don't get a job, then cut down on expenses. Stop drinking expensive coffee. Save money by eating food at home. Save power, energy at home. As they say, less from socket, more in your pocket. All you need to do is find a way to save $300 per month and become a millionaire. So once you have the means of investment, that means you have decided to invest, you will have three bags, buckets or basket as vehicle of investment, where you can put your money, where you can deposit your money. And these are taxable. First bag is the taxable one, where you get 1099 every year and you pay tax every year when you file your taxes. These are like checking account, savings account, fixed deposit, bonds, brokerage account. Whatever money you make, you have to pay tax every year. The second one, I consider this as a tax deferred account where tax is deferred till you withdraw. These are mainly the retirement account, where you invest for a longer term, and when you retire, at that time you pay the tax. You don't pay tax every year; it's deferred till the retirement. And for example, there's a traditional 401ks from your workplace. Traditional IRAs you can invest. They come into tax deferred. The third one is tax free. Though you don't get tax advantage at the present time, but in future, when you withdraw the money, it's tax free. So there are certain limitations. We'll go into detail in a different video, and we'll talk about all this tax accounts. And tax free is the one you don't get advantage at this point, but in later when you retire, you withdraw the money. It's all tax free, and the tax free accounts are something like it's like Roth IRA, and then Roth 401k, HSA. Life insurance also, it's tax free. There's a way you can withdraw life insurance. Thank you for taking time and watching video. I hope you start saving and investing $10 every day. Please let me know if you want me to do a video on any specific investment topic. If you like this video, please comment, like, and subscribe. Thank you.